Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Freaking super pumped today because back to doing Cummins things, because Cummins is life. Because I'm really dumb, it's the only thing I know how to work on. So, anywho, before we get started, you guys all need to go down and freaking subscribe because only half of you that are watching are subscribing, so do it. But, anywho, before I start recording, I did sick mods to this. Some of you guys might have noticed in some of the videos that when you turn the wheel back and forth on the first gen, the whole truck will like rock back and forth like so. And that is because this pitman arm here is for a lifted application, because way back in the day when I was super cool and fast doing wheelies, I used to have this thing lifted. So this thing has been there ever since, and now the truck is as low as it is. This thing was causing some damage because the fact this was so low is causing a super steep angle on the drag link, which is putting like downward force instead of like pushing it this way, it was like pushing it down at it. So it ate up the drag link last year, put a new one in, it's been fine since, but I want to get this done. And now the regular one's back in there, it doesn't make the truck rock back and forth when you turn. So I'm also hoping that that takes care of my issue when I hit bumps, how the tires like to turn. Changes the angle of the drag link, but yeah, so that was sick. But anyway, that's all we're doing with that for today. I just want to get that done and see if it was going to help. So, we have everything all set up back here to be working on this truck. We got my toolbox back here. We got Kyle's ARP 425s. We got his 103-pound valve springs. We have a billet input shaft that's going to be going in. And this is some random stuff for this roll pan that we color matched. But got torque wrenches, socket that you need for the head studs. So this is my first time doing these things. I just go buy a socket because I needed it. My other one was getting blown out, so new one. So yeah, and then that side of the table is just some of my random garbo, but we're not gonna worry about that. That's gonna be for later. But yeah, so see you under the truck. So first things first, we're gonna jack the truck up, get as high as we can up on jack stands. Then we all come down here and we gonna get them cross members all dropped down, disconnect our freaking drive shafts, and go from there, because I don't really know what I'm doing. All right, freaking fourth gen up in the air. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna figure out how to get you guys set up down there so you can watch us do it really fast. All right, people, we got the tranny out, torque converter right there, piece of junk. We're gonna start pulling the front end of this thing because it's gonna make it easier to get up on top to work on the motor. So, now watch us take the front end apart really fast. quick update on where we're at with this. I'm freaking covering oil, got all of myself because this is how I work. Because like, I don't know, I just can't stay clean no matter what I do. I just get dirty. So, freaking intake horns off, plates off there, that freaking thing, and fuel rails off, injectors are out, and valve covers off, and rockers are off, and all that stuff's off. So now we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna start getting this freaking garbo off. Freaking don't need that garbo manifold, don't need that garbo turbo, so we're gonna take that off really fast. Alright! Freaking, I just got done getting my freaking ass kicked by that manifold and turbo. And those back bolts, a couple of them back ones on there pretty freaking good, so I had to get in there and get raged a little bit. And then once you got all the hard stuff done, we let freaking Kyle get in there and do a little bit, because it's his. And yeah, so freaking turbo, Manny, you're gone. Everything's ready to go for us to start working on studs, valve springs, and all that good stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna end it off for now. Next time you see us, we're gonna be doing push rods and valve springs and head studs. And yeah.
Alright, subscribe.
So that's where we're leaving off for today. If you guys are liking the videos, go down and give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go down and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.